Cavite at ang gagayahin ko po ay si Zoe Tuaza na ginampanan po ni Ann Curtis sa palabas ni Gifted. Yuck! People never change. Science tells us that our genetic imprints predetermine your fate, your character, your choices. Ipinanganak kang bobo, lalaki kang bobo, at mamamatay kang bobo. And you are so weak, soft, and shallow. Kung hindi naman gumanda lang ganyan si Aika, magugustuhan mo ba siya? Kung yung Aika na nakita mo sa kalye ay yung Aika ng high school, do you think you will love her? I don't think so.